3 ways to screw up the revenue in your interior design business. Don't do this. Part 2. Hey, listen, when designers come to me and they want coaching to improve their profit, improve their revenue, one of the revenue centers we look at ultimately is their fees. And a common mistake I see so many talented and smart designers just like you make is that you let your clients dictate your fees for you. Now, we can have a whole discussion on should you be fixed fee, should you be hourly. I personally teach this wonderful hybrid between the two that I think really reduces the risk for designers, but I'm getting off topic. Your clients cannot dictate your fees. You do not want the client that wants you for less. You cannot get you for less. You can get something less for less. It is okay for a client to say, listen, would love to work with you, but your fee on this project is a little bit more than we budgeted. Your next answer is, wonderful. Let me see how I can help you. Can we reduce the scope of work? It's okay to lower your fee if you've also made the scope of work smaller. You do not take your hourly rate or your fixed fee rate or your hybrid rate down because a client asked you to. You reduce the scope because a client would like to see a smaller investment in their project, and that's perfectly fine. Your client should be deciding how much are they comfortable investing. No problem there. But I don't want to see you negotiate your rate or your fee downward just because, all right? So one of the big ways that designers hurt their businesses, their profit and their revenue is by letting clients dictate your fees. Don't do this.